Wrapping up a sunny and cold day across eastern Idaho and western Wyoming. Got a few clouds floating on through, but temperatures are starting to warm back up closer to the average range over the next couple of days. In fact, tomorrow we should be back into those upper 20s, low 30s. But yeah, it's still pretty cold outside. 17 degrees with light winds out of the north at 7 currently in Idaho Falls. We're seeing similar conditions. Beautiful shot here from the Pocatello Farm Bureau Skycam with numbers a little bit warmer at 27, about 10 degrees warmer compared to Idaho Falls, and winds out of the northeast at 9. Moving over to Jackson. Sunny today. It's been a beautiful sight from the window. Of course, when you step outside, though, it kind of bites you. Numbers right now in town at 21 degrees. And we're expecting to see pretty much the same weather pattern again for tomorrow, which is maybe a few clouds floating on through. Nothing crazy showing up here on First Alert Viper radar. We do have some wet weather in northern California and southwestern Oregon, just starting to get out towards Medford. We expect to see some clouds off of the system here, but it's shearing apart. It's splitting. A part of it's going to the north and a part of it's going to the south, and here we're going to sit in the quiet middle as these two systems break apart, or these, I should say, the storm system starting to shear as it comes on shore. High pressure to the south, and that's keeping things rather quiet across the Four Corners region. And we got some clouds tonight coming into western Idaho already, and that's going to be overhead for tonight and tomorrow. But down the road, once we get past the weekend, we have a decent-sized system that's going to roll out of the northwest. This system here is going to start to develop as we get into Sunday and Monday, coming into the continental U.S., and it's going to start to produce some scattered snow. We'll get some wind off the sky, plus we're also pulling in some cold air next week once the snow departs. So this system arriving for Valentine's Day still looks like it's got the potential for some snow accumulation. We'll talk about that in just a sec. For tonight, though, we have partly cloudy conditions, a few clouds rolling in from the west, light winds overnight through tomorrow morning. And then as we get into Saturday, more of the same, with temperatures peaking into the upper 20s and low 30s tomorrow. As we head into Saturday night and Sunday, we have just a touch of cloud cover and fog for Sunday morning. There's a chance for some freezing fog to get the day started, and if you break free of the fog, it's going to be mainly sunny for Sunday with temperatures back into the upper 20s to low 30s. Then we pick up on that event, or I should say storm, coming in from the northwest, and it starts to pick up on some snow here Monday afternoon across central Idaho and western Idaho, with scattered snow showers into our region as we go into late Monday and early Tuesday. A lot of the snow is going to be focused, of course, in the foothills and mountains, and we're going to see some snow accumulation, especially into the foothills and mountains around Pocatello and areas to the southeast. Now, it's showing 2 to 4 inches. That's being a little generous right now. I'm sure that model is going to actually scale back as the system nears in here, but we do have the chance for some snow accumulation Tuesday morning. Just bear that in mind. 36 in McCammon, 35 in Lava, 33 in Soda Springs tomorrow. We got highs in Ashton at 36, 34 in Rexburg with 33 for Driggs, and 33 in Jackson tomorrow. Low of 2 tonight, Jackson, 6 tonight in Driggs. In the extended forecast around Jackson and Tetons, we got highs here back into the low 30s for Sunday, mid 30s for Monday, and we got that cold air with the scattered snow working in for Tuesday. Valentine's Day, we have some snow showers, and the temperatures will stay pretty chilly for Wednesday and Thursday. Rexburg, a high of 27 for Sunday, the upper 20s for Monday, and the snowy weather arriving Tuesday morning with a high of 24 for Tuesday afternoon. Central Idaho, we got 31 in Chouse, 39 in Ketchum, 32 in Arco. Lows back to the teens and single digits tonight. Partly cloudy and quiet this weekend in Salmon. Should be pretty nice if you're taking a drive. 38 for the high on Monday with snow coming in Monday afternoon. Highs in Blackfoot should hit around 34 tomorrow. We got 33 for Rigby and 34 for American Falls, upper 30s in Pocatello. In the extended forecast, numbers will drop next week as we get on the other side of the Tuesday system. We have a decent chance for some snowy weather Tuesday morning just to get the day started. Pocatello, we actually warm up a little bit on Monday with highs approaching 37 degrees. And then we see that cold air rushing back in for Valentine's Day and Wednesday and Thursday, with numbers tumbling back to the 20s, and we'll have some cold overnight lows as well. Moving over to Idaho Falls, partly sunny for Sunday, high of 27, 28 for Monday, and temperatures will drop back down to the mid-20s for Tuesday with some snowy weather. Cloudy conditions to get us started for, well, I should say for Tuesday morning with scattered snow, and that system clearing out pretty quickly into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, with highs in the low 20s for Wednesday and Thursday afternoon, and overnight lows around 0, even just a bit below 0 at times. We're going to send it over to Cole, who's got the latest on Sportsline.